Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Play Protect on Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So let's get straight into it. I'm going to go to the top bar, navigate to the right. I'm going to be looking for quick settings before all settings. So after clicking on quick settings, you can find the all settings buttons right here at the right panel to the top right. Now click on all settings and navigate down to privacy. Click on privacy and you're going to go down, navigating to the option that says security. Under security, click on it and you're going to find scan apps with Play Protect. So Play Protect can scan the device and warn you about harmful apps. You're going to click on this and turn it off if you do not want Play Protect on your Google Onn TV. So you can turn it on as well if you want it, and that's going to turn on Play Protect and the Google will constantly be scanning and will warn you about harmful apps. So that's it. That's how you do it. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel and I'll be seeing you in the next video.